the next topic that we are going to discuss is analysis of environment. See, if you have done all these things well, you have to first analyze the environment in which you are going to introduce yourself, in which you are going to survive. Okay, how well you are going to survive is all dependent on what kind of an environment you are having. Okay, how well you have analyzed your surroundings, your environment. The very first thing how you can analyze your environment is verbal information from customers, wholesalers, retailers, distribution consultants, etc. Now, first of all, in order to analyze any environment in which you are going to introduce yourself, you are going to have your enterprise, you need to have verbal information. Verbal information, that means you will talk to people, you will have that information that whether this thing or the products you are going to introduce or you are going to sell in that market, what kind of customers you have, what customers actually want, whether you are able to bring that kind of thing before them or not, or whether you are able to keep yourself with their expectations or not. Okay, so wholesalers, retailers, distribution consultants, you need to have all kind of that information, that report from these people, and on the basis of that report or that information, that knowledge, you will be able to analyze that whether the thing that you want to introduce, that the enterprise that you are going to establish there, or what you have planned is going to work or not in that kind of environment. Second comes record of companies. Record of companies from both the ways. From both the ways, in the sense, what companies you are dealing with and what companies you have in as your competitors. So record of those companies you need to have. If you are dealing with such some companies, you should have their record, that whether these companies are well enough, are good enough, that they'll be able to supply you what you want for longer time, or are they well established or not. Also, what kind of competitors you are having in that product, in that market. Then comes government publications. You should have complete analysis of environment, or you can have complete analysis of environment by government publications. From time to time, government publishes its reports and give that knowledge to the entrepreneurs, that what kind of things they can have or how well they can perform. So this is also a helpful one. Then comes publication of various financial institutions. Financial institutions from time to time also publishes their reports, what offers they can have, what are the loan facilities, how well they are supporting these sectors, entrepreneurs, new entrepreneurs, how they can finance these startups or new enterprises. Everything they publish and everything they bring to our knowledge. So like this also you can analyze the environment. Last one is formal studies conducted by strategic planners. Formal studies, that there are some planners they make these strategies, so they conduct formal studies in the sense that their intention is to study the environment all around, whatever things you want to bring back to that society, to that to the market. You can have that report, and you can have that study before you, that what they have conducted, what these planners have told about this kind of product or this kind of market, that whether you are going to get success in this market or not, what are the chances of getting success in this kind of market, based on the studies that were conducted by the strategic planners, because they are well enough knowledgeful persons, and they are experts in this field, and whatever studies they conduct, those formal studies, they are really very helpful in giving you that analysis of the environment you are going to work. Okay, so these are the points by which you can analyze your environment, where you are going to work, where you are going to establish your environment, where you are going to establish your company or your enterprise. So like this you can analyze the environment where you want to open your enterprise, where you are going to launch your product or sell your product. So these are the things that you can take into the consideration before analyzing this environment and how you can perform there. Fine. So this is all for today. Now the next topic will be taken in next class. Hope you have understood well, and the next topic would be environmental factors. Okay, so be prepared for it. Have the reading. Yes. Goodbye.